What's your one?
What's up? What happened?
I'm listening. On the register.
Newly released footage shows the moment Tulsa police officers responded to a fatal shooting at a North Tulsa QuikTrip.
Hey, yo, come over here. Come over here. Come over here.
Hey, I still have an employee inside.
Okay.
Carlton Gilford is accused of killing 2 men in April, one at the Rudisill Library and another at a QuikTrip near Pine in Peoria.
Inside the QuikTrip is what they're saying.
With the QuikTrip employees, they're just a location. I'm trying to get the intel from them, please.
Hey, get out the van and come here. Come over here. Who else is in there? Come over here. Just come back here. Come back here, bro. You got guns pointed your direction.
What's going on?
Stay back here.
What the hell is going on?
Okay.
Wait, that might be in the car with an employee too, or with a customer.
The Bodycam footage shows the police response at the QuikTrip. In the footage, a man now identified as Gilford approach officers saying, "I did it. I did the shooting." When officers asked why, Gilford responds with, "It's a long story."
Hey,
Prosecutors say Gilford walked into the Rudisill Library and shot Lundin Hath in the head as he sat at a computer. Then walked to the QuikTrip and shot James McDaniel. The shootings are believed to be racially motivated. Gilford was treated for self-inflicted wounds before he was taken to jail. Gilford faces 2 counts of first-degree murder, 2 counts of shooting with intent to kill, 1 count of malicious intimidation or harassment.
One for the officer.
Yeah. Hey, you guys are still missing 1 employee?
Yes, we're missing 2. Oh, then we're missing Ned. I called her.
Just 1? They're missing 1. Adam 313. QuikTrip employees are saying they're missing 1 female with black dreads. Right there. Yeah. Hey, come with me. You come here. You got any weapons on you or anything? Where you come from?
Yeah, I did that. I did that. There you go. You got it.
The shooting and everything?
Yeah, yeah.
Turn around. Hey, this is him. Adam 3. You got a weapon on you?
Yes, right there.
Where's it at?
Right here.
Hey, tell him
right
this
there.
is a guy. Jesus Christ. Where's it at?
Right there. It's in there.
In here?
My pocket now. No, in there. In my pants.
You know how to clear these? What happened?
It's a long story. That's all I got. I don't think I got nothing.
Are you shot?
Yeah.
You are shot?
I got hit too, yeah.
Where'd you get hit at?
Oh, right there on my side of my deal.
Adam 330. Adam 313, can I get fire over here? The suspect saying he got shot in the head. Where you shot at? Right here?
Yeah, on my deal.
Okay.
Side of my deal. Yeah.
In the head. We're going to be on the north side over here with the QuikTrip employees. Come over here, bro.
Yeah, we can take him since you got your
He's bloody.
Okay.
Oh, good
All
lord.
over.